Nah, I just started, bro. We're just gonna start the show, man. Start. Give him an intro. Okay. Yeah. I got it. Welcome to the Blatantly Blatant Show. The people be hating now because I be talking all my ish. Welcome to my show. Please get off my. Welcome to my show. Please get off my. Welcome to the Blatantly Blatant Show. The people be hating now because I be talking all my ish. Welcome to my show. Please get off my. Welcome to my show. Please get off my. Let's stop. We back, baby. Welcome to the Blatantly Blatant Show. This is on the Blatantly Blatant Network, and this is Blatantly Beats. So I drive for a living, right? And so I don't do nothing but just listen to podcasts and watch YouTube, watch YouTube while I'm driving. So I seen Producer Grind dropped a new video, and they was talking about they had a producer on there, and they was gonna make some beats, and they was gonna go over some beats that people made. I'm like, all right, I thought that was cool. So the producer that they had on there was Illmind. Yes, the legend, the GOAT, Illmind. When I see him, I'm like, oh, this is gonna be dope. So I watched the video, and I got some sauce, dog. I picked up some sauce, some gems from the homie Illmind. Now that's what I watch, bro. I watch damn near anybody that comes across my algorithms. I watch any and everything, even the new people that pop up on the algorithm. I love the new stuff that pops up on my algorithm with the music and stuff because YouTube's doing something right, and I'm subscribing to everybody because I want to see everybody's technique. I want to pick up gems. If you got game, bro, I ain't too proud to bed. Like, I'm not shy to be like, I really don't know nothing. You know, I make beats or whatever. So I seen this gem that he had, and he was using his VST plugin, whatever you want to call it, called Play Beat. Now it's Play Beat 3 out. I had Play Beat, never really used it, but as he was talking to TB, I seen that he was like, yeah, he said, I just throw hi-hats in there and just let it do its thing. You could just randomly click the button and it'll just start filtering hi-hats and all. But bro, let's bring this up real quick. So I said, you know what? I said, let me try it, man. So I did, right? And we came up with this weird sounding hi-hat mix. But I said, you know what? I like it. I'm going to stick with it. So I started off with the hi-hats. Then I ended up building around the hi-hats. Then I added the kick, the drum, and all that. And then I used Serato Sample, my favorite VST plugin, to chop it up. And we did that. So I'm going to play this for you real quick, bro. Let me get my tag, but it's different. Like, as far as like stuff I make, and this is what I'm looking for, just to make different stuff. I don't want to make the same type of stuff. I want to make stuff outside the box. I want to try to find my sound. I don't want people like, yo, Blatantly make beats like this, or he make beats like, I'm like, yo, nah, that's a Blatantly beat. You know, so I'm real big on that. But let me throw my tag in here, bro. We good to go. I should have done that from the beginning, but I didn't. Yeah, your boy be tripping and slipping. But it's A-OK, and I should be right. I had it up somewhere right here, right? It should be in my face. No diddy. Where? I don't know where my tag at, bro. I usually leave it right here or right here. But you know what? I think I might have moved that whole pack. But that's fine. We don't need the tag right now. Y'all know who did the beat. So let's check it out, man. Here's this little thing I did. let's get this on. Let's get this on and jump. It's Play Beat's different. I'm gonna use this with the eyes. This is new sauce game for me. Made a beat. Like to hear it? Here it go. Let me hit the mute so we ain't got no echo. Those are the hi-hats. so y'all heard that right now. What your boy about to do? If you see me ever go over here, you see my mouse right here, and I'm going over the track, and I go to at least track 4. This is what your boy like to do. This is what I like to do when I come over here on track on FL Studios. I like to go bring my homie VST up in his bed. I like to bring the homie VST up in his bed. Where we at? A, B, C, D, U, F, knock. Let's go. Throw this right there. Let's make it dirt. Do we want it dirty? We'll go dirty. We're going to put that on there. Then we're going to put it on this one. A little bit of a dirty kick. Oh, we can't forget the snare. Well, I got that on track too. Now let's run it back. Now let's hear, you're going to hear that difference between them kicks. Yeah, no, you can hear that knocking, bro. Let's get right back to it. I just threw it on the hi-hats real quick. You hear how when you put it on breakbeat dirty, how that thing just go crazy? Yeah, man, we out. Yeah, that's bro. I came into the studio. I was about to go live, but then OBS was messing up, and I was trying to do like separate scene recordings, and that wasn't working. So whatever. But I said, let me try this play beat real quick, and just do it with the hi hats. That's gonna be my little new sauce right now. Me mixing some stuff up with the hi hats, doing that. I tried it with the drums I had kick. It was a little weird. So we're gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, I kind of like it. And we made this weird beat, but we out, man. Welcome to the Blatantly Blatant Show. It's on the Blatantly Blatant Network, and this is Blatantly Beats, man. We is out, man. Play that beat though, bruh. Play that beat though, bruh. Oh man. Oh, you know, I got Dog Wars too. That's a fit at. Hit the button.